Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Melanie. I'm a financial analyst, and on this channel, we talk about side hustles, passive income, entrepreneurship, and all things money. So if that interests you, go ahead and subscribe. Today, we're going to be talking about 8 faceless YouTube channels that you can start with a high CPM. So let's get into the video. Because face it, sometimes we want to make money on YouTube, but we don't always want to be on camera on every single channel that we have. So this is a good alternative to having a channel where you are on camera. It's having a channel where you're not on camera. So let's get into number 1. And number 1 is wealth and finance channel. So you can definitely do this facelessly. I don't know if facelessly is a word, but you could definitely do this and have a faceless channel. So if you don't know anything about finance, then no, you can't do this channel. But if you do know some things about finance, you can build some templates and get some stock footage and put that together into a valuable video that'll help your viewers learn about whatever topic you're talking about. And this niche comes in at a CPM of $12. Let's pause here. If you don't know what CPM means, it means cost per mille, which basically means cost per 1,000. So this is how YouTube measures how much they're going to pay you. This is your cost per 1,000 views. So for example, if you are in the finance niche and you are going to be making $12 per 1,000 views on each video. So let's get back to the video. So number 2 is the tech niche. And the tech niche is really valuable because people go on YouTube to figure out how to use their tech gear, whether they should buy a certain tech item. You could do a channel on reviews of different tech stuff, and this could be a faceless channel because you're showing the item and not your face. So if you do camera reviews, phone reviews, microphone reviews, all different types of reviews on tech gear, you could do a voiceover. So like I said before, you can get stock footage of some of these things. You could review the tech items that you already have without showing your face, and then tell your viewers how good these gadgets work. So it could be anything from a tech item to tech software on a computer. And this CPM comes in at $7.31. If you like this video so far and this content, go ahead and subscribe and hit the like button, and that tells YouTube to send you more of my videos. So let's get into number 3. Next, we have the health and fitness niche. So you could do a health and fitness faceless channel, and believe it or not, it's not that difficult to do it. Like I said before, you could do stock footage, talk about the people working out, do a voiceover. You could do your own voiceover or pay somebody to do the voiceover for you. But this niche is really popular now because in 2020, a lot of people weren't able to go to the gyms. All they could do is work out at home or work out outside. And they wanted to see these channels to figure out, well, how do I do a push-up? Or how do I do this? Or what should my workout look like if I want to get abs? So these are really popular channels. And this CPM comes in at $160. So next, number 4 is the cooking niche. So the cooking niche, you could definitely do a faceless channel in this niche. And this niche is also popular, became more popular in 2020 because we all had to cook our own food because all the restaurants were closed. This niche is really good for somebody who knows how to cook, because think about it. How many times have you gone to YouTube and you've wanted to figure out how to make something, and you've watched the video and you played it along with yourself when you're in the kitchen cooking it? Rather than going to Pinterest, reading an article about how to cook it, what ingredients to include, and all of these words when you're trying to cook something and you have food all over your hands. So this niche is definitely popular now, and this niche comes in at the CPM is $150. And make sure you stick around to the end of the video because I have some of the higher CPMs listed there. So let's get into number 5. Number 5 is the travel niche. And you don't have to necessarily be a travel vlogger to have a faceless travel channel. So this channel, you could do stock footage, you could do different photos, you could research how much it costs to travel there, and that could be your video. Now, the travel advertisers are willing to pay a lot of money for commercials that'll be run on your monetized channel when you have a travel or destination channel. So this CPM comes in at $19.89. Number 6 is education channels. Now, again, education channels did really well in 2020 because all the schools were closed, or some of the schools were closed. I don't know, I think it was all the schools were closed. But either way, a lot of these channels popped up, like pre-K education, elementary education, high school education, middle school, you name it. All of these different videos popped up, and you could definitely do a faceless education channel because not only are the kids gonna watch it, but they're gonna watch it over and over again. Like, for example, if you do a faceless channel with just learning alphabets and first learning how to read lessons, you would be able to do this facelessly and make a good amount of money because those kids preschool age aren't always in school, and sometimes people play videos for them about the alphabet and learning and all that stuff. So definitely, if you want to do an education channel, check out the younger years, and then you can do a faceless channel. And this CPM is coming in at $9.89. Number 7 is make money online. So a lot of these channels, again, did really well in 2020 because a lot of people were laid off. They couldn't go anywhere, and all they had was their internet connection. And they wanted to know, well, I need some money and I have the internet at home, so I guess I should just make some money online. So these channels did really well. You can definitely do a faceless make money online channel by using stock footage of voiceover artists and different things like that to put your videos together and make them visually interesting. And this CPM comes in at a really good number at $13.52 per 1,000 views. And finally, let's get to number 8. Number 8, this is the largest CPM on my list here. And the reason why is because it is fairly popular. Advertisers will pay a lot of money to run their ads during your video. So this is to make money online, sub niche of affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing is kind of a mystery to some people. They want to know, how can I do it? How can I get into it? And how can I be successful at it? The sub niche affiliate marketing really helped to bump the CPM up to $24 per 1,000. And you could definitely do a faceless YouTube channel on this. We're teaching people how to get into affiliate marketing, using your affiliate marketing links on your videos and expanding your audience that way. Also, you'll be adding value to your viewers because this is something that they also want to learn how to do. So that is my video today, you guys. That is the 8 faceless YouTube channels that you can do with a high CPM. Let me know if you guys already have a faceless YouTube channel, if you just started it, or if it's been going on for a while and you just want to switch niches and try to get into something new. Also, if you like content like this, go ahead and hit the like button. That lets YouTube know that you like my content, and subscribe. I post 2 videos a week giving you valuable information about passive income, side hustles, entrepreneurship, and all things money. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.